Good morning, Nana. Hey, you got a great big smile in there. Can Mama see it? Can I see that smile? Can I see it? Oh my goodness. Wiggle, wiggle. You're so pretty, baby girl. Say good morning, Nana. Good morning. I know you got something to say. Come on. Come on. Say, I miss you, Nana. Say, I miss you. You don't hide. Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding, pretty girl? Oh, what a yawn. Oh, what a yawn. Hi, baby love. You got a smile in there? Say, who's the prettiest little baby in the world? I am. Yay. Come on. I know you got something big to say. Say it. Come on. You did smiling at Nana. Yes. You're such a little camera hog. Yes, you are.